In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can enable or use lookup table, or also known as LUT, in Filmora. So basically this is almost like color grading, except maybe it's a little bit different, and also in my opinion a lot more simplified compared to the traditional color grading, but the result can look just as amazing. So this is how you can use the feature. By the way, I'm using Filmora version 14 and I'm gonna be using the default layout mode. So if you go to layout mode, here there are plenty of options. Right now I was transitioning from Filmora 13 to 14, and that's why I'm still using classic mode, but for this tutorial video I'm going to be using the default layout, which is going to be a bit different. So the edit menu will appear on the right side of the screen, but other than that everything else is the same regardless of what layout mode that you are using. Now, for this demonstration, I do have this video clip where there is a group of people eating ice cream. So right now I didn't apply any color setting, and I want to change the color. I want to apply some LUT to this clip. So what you need to do, of course, you have to open this menu. You have to go to the edit menu. If you are using the classic version, then you have to click on this icon. This is right here. But since I have this on the right side of the screen, I can just go to here and navigate to the color section, and then you can navigate to basic, and here you can see that the LUT option is enabled. And if you go to the LUT preset, you can see a lot of different options. So let's try Star Wars, which is very interesting, but it will make everything less saturated. I think a lot of colors lost. But don't worry, you can always adjust the strength. You can make it a bit weaker, or you can make it to the maximum. And I think one element or one setting that I really like is the protect skin tone. So this is very useful if you want to apply the LUT for the surrounding, but you want to make sure that the skin color of the people remains consistent. Then you can actually enable this and increase the strength of the setting. Right now you can see that it is basically very warm. It's not very vibrant, but I can increase it and you can see the skin color change, and also the surrounding is still following this preset, but the skin color is going to be a lot more vibrant. So that's basically the LUT setting on Filmora. Of course, there are other settings like HSL, curves, color, wheels, etc. And honestly, a lot of them are very advanced, and I think for a lot of people, for just casual editors, the LUT setting is doing just good enough to make your video more engaging and attractive. So that's how you can do it. And if you found this tutorial to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.